Hi, this is Yu Hao. This is a demo of CSync, a file synchronization application. I'm the main author of this application. Now let me show you what I have done. Firstly, let me show you the CSync engine, which is the core part of this application. Suppose there is a client here. This is me. One picture here, and there's one movie here. And I archive these two files into this one. It has the movie and the picture. Okay. Now it's an imitation of uploading the file. Let me copy this file from this folder to the server side folder. Okay. Now suppose these two files are synchronized in both client side and the server side. Now in the server side, maybe other people just add a file into it, a text file, my text file. I like CSync, pretty simple. And then add to this archive file. Okay. You can see in the server side, there is one additional file here, but other two files are exactly the same. Now, if we use the traditional downloading thing, you have to download the file bit by bit. But in fact, these two files, the movie and the picture, are exactly the same. So my CSync engine can compute the difference of these two side files and then only transmit the different file. Now let me do it. Turn on the server side first. Create a socket, and then turn on the client side. Now they're connected and start to compute. It will compare blocks by blocks in these two files. You see the token here. The token means these blocks are the same, so I only send a command to the client side. So the client side does not need to download this block, but only fetch the block from his local disk, which saves a lot of time. And finally, at the end, he will compute what's the different part of these two files. And for the new blocks, he has to send the new data bit by bit. You see, these are the new data he has to send. And after synchronization, I have to compute the MD5, the signature of these two files, and I find the temporary file, which is the new file, is the same as the server-side new file. And then the synchronization is done. So you can see here in the client temporary folder, there is a new my archive file, which is exactly the same as the server side. Okay, thanks.